Hey YouTube, this is Josh from Ventures of Acrophile coming to you again for another week of installs. So this week I'm actually going to be installing this Goldstrike action camera mount for the Goldwing. I'm going to stick it on the left mirror. There's actually an Allen screw underneath the left mirror it attaches to, and at that point I'll be able to mount my GoPro to the front, have it facing forwards or have it facing back along the edge of the bike, just for a different perspective. If you're interested in actually looking at this item up, I'll have it linked in the description below. You'll be able to check it out after this video. It'll take you to the website where I purchased it. You'll be able to read the reviews for yourself. And if you plan on getting one of these, then at least you'll have a step forward and actually getting one. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and move forward into this install. First things first, I'm going to go ahead and unpackage it. Looks like we have 2 screws, a spacer, the little ram nut that actually hooks into this. Put this to the side. Coming around over here to this side, there's actually a screw under here, right here, little Allen screw. I got to make sure I get the right size, and I actually take that screw loose. Let me pull that on out. Once that comes out, then that's actually the access point where I'm going to be installing these items. Go ahead and grab these here. Because I'm actually going to be going beneath this plastic trim here, I'm going to have to put this spacer in here and then hook this to it. So for that, I'm going to use this long screw because I'm going through everything. Okay. Make sure I got the right size Allen. It's a little bit too small. There you go, that's the size I need. Alright. I'm going to go ahead and unwrap this first. And put the spacer into place. Drop up in there. Then I'm going to put this into place. At this point, I want to put this washer and this screw together. Let me try to actually put all those together before doing that. And we'll just screw it up into the existing hole that's already there. See which would be the best angle to, probably right about there. Once it's snug, go ahead and give it about another quarter turn. It's pretty tight there, it's not going anywhere. At this point, this black cylinder goes over here, and then this pops into place just like that. Once that's into place, then I can go ahead and screw it down, and I can tighten it where I want it to be. Probably right about there, like that. Turn it down so it doesn't move. There we go. The small screw that actually is with it goes here, through here, to actually hold the GoPro in place once I put a mount there. So I'll just slightly snug that down, because I'm not putting a GoPro in it yet. And it's there for use whenever I decide to put a GoPro in it. I can actually buy a housing that I could just slip the GoPro into and make it permanent. But I believe that's probably a good angle. But that completes that install. The long screw goes in through everything up into where the existing screw used to be, with the spacer and all that. And then you saw how I mounted this, and then a little screw goes on the bottom so that when you attach a harness or a GoPro, you can tighten down on this screw and hold it in place like it's supposed to be. Alright, well that concludes this install. Put all these tools back. All right, so there you have it. This concludes this install for this week for the GoPro mount. Like I said in the beginning, if you want to actually check this item out, you can check in the link in the description below. You can go to the website, check it out for yourself. I will be having another install next week. I believe it's going to be my little factory gap covers that go on the trunk area between the light and the side saddles. And I'll be looking forward to seeing you then. So with that being said, if you liked this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Click that bell icon so you'll be notified anytime I post a video in the future. If you have any comments you'd like to leave, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. If you got any questions, drop them in the comment section below. I usually respond within 24 to 48 hours of receiving them. So I look forward to hearing from you. So until next week, this is Josh, Adventures of Acrophile, signing out. Y'all be safe. Peace.